Bonjour! Today you are going to learn how to say ABCD in French. So let's begin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So you have to pay attention to 3 to 4 words particularly. First is J. So G in French is pronounced as J, whereas J in French is pronounced as J. Another important letter is Q. So it's Q. It's not Q or Q. It is Q. Another important one is U. So U is pronounced as U. If you find it difficult, try saying E and then move towards U. So EU, U, and U will be somewhere in between, right? So EU, U. That's all for today. Merci.